So today we are here with another episode with index and match. What if there's two conditions and you need to find the value in a table? For example, a product which belongs to a particular region and give me the price. Can you do that with XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP? Can you do that with an if function? If function will request a lot of long formula, big formula. That's where the index and match comes as a handy solution. So, if there are two conditions, there is a common rule which you need to follow. As you see here in column H, the condition should be presented like this as an AND operator, and the match function should be shown or followed as this. Let's see an example. I need to find the price of kiwi belonging to the region north. As you see here, just see the intersection. So it should be kiwi in the region north and it should be the price, which is this. So now let's put an index and match. Index. So here we can use, since we know the exact column, I can tell index here, look in this array. This is where the value should come out. And now should tell them which rows they need to follow. So the rows comes like this, right? So the rows should be the kiwi is in a row, north is in a row. So I'll tell them you find there are two conditions. In the product column, this should equals to kiwi. I use an AND operator. And in the region column, this should equals to north. Give me the exact match. So there are certain parentheses which is being used. They always recommend. See, you get 20 as a solution. Let's move to another table. Here, same way you have a product, you have a region, you have a salesperson, and you have a sales value. I'll tell you how to find a sale for product apple in the south region in two different ways. Same way we looked at. Let's review this. Use index because it returns a value. I need a sale, hence you look in this column. What rows I need to look at? So the rows would be, it should be somewhere like here in an apple thing and in a region. Those should combine the rows. So you return, now there are two conditions. Look, the product should be equals, now right, last time I select the column, but let's type it as well. But when you type it, you always remember that the letter should be in a right manner. And this is region, let's say south. Okay. Give me the exact match. The zeros gives you the exact match. Ta-da! So how accurate it is? So in the apple column, in the south region, you get the sales figure. Then let's see another way of doing that. It's the usual, or the previous way of I have shown the index match to work. What is that? Index. Rather than specifying the column I need to return, I'll make the formula itself find it. How do you do that? First, you give the array. Okay, this is where all my data lies, right? And now I should tell them which rows to look at. Now in the rows, there are two conditions. Follow two conditions. You need to look in the product category. It should be equals to apple. At the same time, in the region category, it should be equals to south. Give us the exact value. Should we stop there? No. We need to find the column in which the sales data is in. So I'll tell them, look for sales column as well. What is the lookup value? You should find sales column. Where should I see? Now here you should give a column because it now goes looking into which column, which column, which column. So since they need to find it as in a column, it should be in an array like this. Okay, and find me the exact solution. Parenthesis correction. Ta-da!